Alright, what is up everyone? It is Liam. I'm here with a Photoshop tutorial. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own wrap receipt poster. Now I know, that sounds kind of odd, but I have seen these on the internet before and I thought I would try it out and put my own spin onto it. And if you guys stick to the very end of the video, I will be showing you how you can print this poster out and put it up on your wall for less than $5. Alright, here we go. So today we are going to be making one of the very classics, Juice WRLD's first album, Goodbye and Good Riddance. R.I.P. Juice, rest in peace, you already know, so let's get into it. Alright, so step one, you're going to want to go up and create new, and you're going to want to make sure it is in inches, not pixels. If it is in pixels, you're going to have a rough time doing this. So it's going to be 24 by 36 inches. Just make sure that the background content is transparent. You just click that and go down transparent and then press create. You don't have to worry about anything else. And for the sake of this video, I'm going to start by making a background, make sure it's white. Alright, the next step you're going to want to do is go to this website. The link will be in the description, and you're going to want to download this font. Basically all you do is you just open it up, Fake Receipt, there we go. And then you double click on this file right here and you just press download or install. I've already done that. So to put a little spin on it, I'm going to be putting holes in the background of this just with the album in the back. So this file will also be in the link in the description as well. So we're gonna head and drag that in. Alright, so first things first, what you're gonna want to do is go and create all of the track lists with the Fake Receipt font. I'm gonna go and do that quickly. So I'm gonna go to font and I'm gonna type in Fake Receipt. Here we go, and I'm just gonna scale it out and I'm gonna go put the timestamps on it and everything, and I'll be back in a minute once that's done. Alright, so once you have all the track titles, make sure they are spelt correctly, they are in the correct order, make sure you have the time correct, and because we're doing a nice little receipt, I did put a little total of $999 for Juice WRLD, nice little Easter egg. Okay, so now the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find crumpled up paper PNG. Alright, then once you have that, we're going to want to take that, scale it up a little bit, and because I don't want the texture to be too low quality, I'm just going to duplicate it 4 times and drag it across like this, and then one more time, well, 2 more times actually, like that, and then one more time. Over like that. Cool. And now I'm going to take my eraser tool. You're going to want to scale it down to maybe like 80, and then the hardness down to 30, and we're just going to go across here and make sure we have the right one selected first. And we're just going to get rid of these harsh lines. Yeah, I'm going to have to scale that up a little bit too. And go to the next one. Alright, so after doing so, you should have something that looks like this. And then the next step, of course, we are going to want to drag the cover art to the front for the title. Now I've already went and done this beforehand and cut it out and everything. So we'll drag it down like this. Maybe scale it down a little bit too. Just like that. Make sure it's centered. Take this out. Oops, not that. Alright, so everything's looking good so far. We have the title at the front, Goodbye and Good Riddance. We have the receipt, obviously, with the track titles and everything. I'm going to drag this up just a little bit more, actually. Nope, not that one. Just like that. Now to put my own little spin on it, I'm going to put a little hole in the paper with that little car going out the back, as we all know. So I'm going to go back. Okay, so now we have that. You're going to want to go and drag your little hole in the paper. This will be in the download description below if you want to follow along. I'm just gonna make sure it's not too big but not too small. We're gonna put it right in the middle of the track list, somewhere like that. And now I'm just gonna use Photoshop Magic and go around and just brush it up and everything. Alright, and after you have everything done, it should look something like this. To be honest with you, it doesn't look half bad. I might touch it up a little bit later after when the video is done, just for you guys. Now, I will have a download Photoshop file for this in the description below. If you just want to go put your own little touch on it, do whatever you want, that's fine by me. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can hang this up in your room for only $5. Alright, so once you're done with your design, you're going to want to head over to vistaprint.ca or .com, depending on where you live. You're going to want to check off these little boxes. I'm going to go for a 24 by 36 just because those were the dimensions I picked, and that's a nice big little picture. We're going to select vertical because that's the way we're going to want it to hang. And guys, it is an extra 10 bucks just for the big 24 by 36, but if you really want to only spend $5, you're going to want to go ahead and click the 11 by 17. We're going to go ahead and click Start Designing. We're going to go and press Upload It. And once you get here, you're going to want to upload your file. So press My Computer and then click on the file that you had. I already downloaded it here. So we're just going to drag and drop it in. And just like that, you have your very own poster. And then after that, you can go ahead, you can click Next. You can fill out the shipping details, credit card information. And guys, that is it. If you enjoyed this video, please show some support. It really does help. I really do love the support. It gives me motivation to make more videos like this. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and turn those bell notifications on, guys, because I have big plans for this channel after Christmas. If you guys want to see, oh, I can't give away too much, but I'll be doing giveaways and stuff like that, and some other stuff like that. And if you guys have any questions for me on this video or just for me in general that you want me to answer, please put them in the comment section below. I will be sure to respond very quickly back to those with some answers. And other than that, that's it. Have a nice day, and I'll see you later. Alright, yo, what's up, guys? Really quick, I'm just putting this into the end of the video. I will be giving away 5 of these Juice WRLD posters with frames included and stuff like that. All you got to do to get entered into this giveaway is 1, be subscribed with the notifications on, like this video, and comment in the comment section 999 to make sure you're a real one. I will be picking the winners for this video next video, and if you guys want any more posters like this, rap posters, also comment in the section below which rapper or which album you want me to do. Alright, peace.
They tell me I've been tweaking off them beans. I pop a few with them, I'm in my dreams. I told her that it's not what it seems, and this money shit ain't nothing to me. My older brother's telling me I spend too much for that bitch, and then I spend